everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to make a back-to-back brochure on Canva. So let's begin. Firstly, open your Canva, search on brochure right here in the search panel, and you can see there's a create a blank brochure. Click on that brochure. After clicking that brochure, you will see here different kind of templates. You can choose from any templates you want. For example, I chose this template, add on it. You can edit, you can change the text, or do whatever you want and add the text. Like this, you can make back-to-back brochure. Go to design, you can add another kind of layout. So this is how you can add back-to-back continuous brochure and edit it and place pictures. You can upload pictures, videos, audios, anything you want. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for